var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp för dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Fan var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan jag vill ha min chakarinna. Låsa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp för dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet inte om ni kör det. Xauusd, jag smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig var du finns, yeah. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Det kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så allt när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, yeah, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om jag någonstans aldrig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om jag någonstans aldrig.
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Babe, sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now, yeah. Need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you. Did it for love, no escaping. Heart is taken, I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby, deep down? I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but
what's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? From the daily here. We're at an all-time high now, so we got a daily support here. Got a support. Don't need to do too much today. And we can stop it right there. 4 hour. So in 4 hour, we use the support here. And the support right here. And we've got a 4 hour demand here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Alright, so 1 hour we've got this support here. And we've got this demand here. Got this resistance here in 1 hour. Take a look at the 30-minute. And I'm gonna switch this to 30-minute demand here. Not a clean demand, but we'll see. All right, 15 minutes. Just add one more demand here. All right, I'm still bullish in gold. So for now, I am looking for buys. But right now, in order for me to take buys, we're gonna have to pull back to either this demand, this one, or this 1 hour support, or the demand down below. So for now, I am looking for buys. And if we break above this 1 hour resistance, then of course, we're still gonna be looking for buys. There is a chance we could fall from here though, because right now we created a 1 hour resistance and price is right now reacting to this 5-minute supply here. So we're just gonna wait for the buys. Do I have a son? No. Why not? What kind of question is that? No, Janice.
Everything being safe again, everything for your jembele, oh jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatu mata jembele, oh Lord. Fatu mata jembele, oh jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord.
Good morning, good morning.
Everything been safe again now. Everything for your jambele, oh jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.
Well, thank you, Sophia, and welcome. Good morning, Josias.
You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.
So there is a chance that gold could actually fall from here. If that happens, we're just gonna wait patiently for the buys. Because right now, even though gold created an all-time high, in order for gold to keep going back up, we have to pull back and then have a continuation. So we could get the pullback from here because we have this aggressive selling to the downside. And a resistance form. This is a 1 hour resistance. So we could see gold pull back to this resistance. We're actually still rejecting. Then we could see gold come down, breaking this minor support. We could even get our buys from this 30-minute demand. It's a possibility, and we look to take buys. And this new low that will be created around this 30-minute demand could end up being the move that's going to actually break this high and go just continues. And if this resistance breaks, so let's say this minor support that we've created, because there is a 15-minute demand here, which is where we are rejecting from. Okay, so if this low eventually breaks this 1 hour resistance, we wait for price to pull back to a level of demand. I don't know where it's going to be right now. And then we look for our buys. Why not sales? Ask yourself, why would you want to take the sell? What's the structure and the momentum on gold right now? My bias is bullish. Bias. But I must say, even though my bias is bullish, meaning I'm looking to take buys, if there is a chance for me to take a sell, and that means if there is a sell opportunity that I'm willing to take, I will take it. But for now, I am looking for buys because all time frames is bullish. Bullish structure, bullish momentum, all time frames. So there's no point for me to be looking to take sales right now. So even though I know there is a chance gold could fall from here, doesn't mean I have to take it. Okay, Tyrant, you can take the sell. I'm not. you're welcome to take a sell. So you don't have to try to tell me what I already know and can see. Good morning, Vivian. How old am I? May you ask? I don't hide my age. I'm 39. I have no issue with telling anyone my age. It's just a number. You did 20 lot twice of the new candle off of that 15-minute demand 10K. Nice. Thank you, TradeStorm. You looking to take a sell makes me know that you pretty much really don't know what you're doing. Gold is bullish. Price is reacting to this 1 hour resistance and this 15-minute demand. Just tell me, can someone please just tell me why you'll be looking to take a sell here? You're pretty much in a range between this resistance and this 15-minute demand. Why would you be willing to take a sell? Just, if the sale is going to happen, just let the sale happen, because all time frame is bullish anyways. And then you just wait for your buys. You don't want to do anything here. You want to do something above this resistance or below this demand. It's that simple. Okay.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning. Hey, Spence, how you doing? Oh, and also, I'm not saying gold cannot fall from here. I've said that already, that this can still fall. However, that does not mean I'm going to take it. And what I'm simply saying is it's just too risky. It could go either way. We rejected this 15-minute demand, got back to resistance, we rejected again. So for me personally, this is pretty much a no trade range, if we can say that. Or taking a sell here is just too risky. That's all. Trading is already risky, but there are some trades that's just too risky to take, and you want to do everything you can to avoid those type of trades. We have news though in NY today. Orange folder. Okay.
Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow mo. Yeah, busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah, I can wait till we're together. I can never get enough of you. Yeah, she said, "What you want from me, baby? What you want from me? Yeah, yeah, nothing but your company, sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Ooh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah. You gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Woo. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocent.
Patience, patience, guys.
You're still stuck on my mind. You All these memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Looking like we're getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah.
Yeah, this time thing.
Happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life. Oh, I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? Cause you are. You are my only moonshine. My only moonshine. Girl, you know I wanted that. Hey, caught it like a running back. All over your body like a lumberjack. Me and you against the world, we running that. Tell them bring the bottles to the section. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm celebrating with the baddest one here.
We need volume.
Like a goddess in here. Wanna lose myself with you tonight, yeah. Forget all about all my sorrows. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. It's like I knew you all my life, oh. Baby, I can feel the connection. I'm ready to start a commotion. You got me caught up in the moment. Murder on the dance floor. Yeah. Want this forever. Get the party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? You are my only moonshine.
Right. You don't want to be in any trade right now. You don't want to be in any trades right now.
We are in uncharted territories on gold at the moment, guys. No reference points on the left. Just let it make new structure.
Did I see the video by 2Gs yesterday clapping back at Raja? Really? Send the link. You can send the link to Zoom. What's going on between those two? Who's 2Gs? He's a South African trader. I think it's more than one person though. It's actually two people. What the hell? Why is this showing on this one? Oh man, what's going on between those two?
Growing up, and we made mention of Raja Banks and Ted Safranco. Raja did. So last week we dropped a Donvo video of him blowing up, and we made mention of Raja Banks and Ted Safranco. Raja did not take the video well, Chad, and commenting, I deserve an Oscar for making stuff up about him when I don't know a single thing about him. Congratulations, Sherlock Holmes. So I don't know what stuff I'm making up. But then I replied to Raja and I just said, Raja, some real talk here. That account on your own broker that you were trading, did you ever route those trades through to an LP? While having access to the meta manager on the back end, did you not ever place yourself into trades? I'm no Sherlock Holmes, but I can see BS from a mile away. Broker owners don't trade on their own platform. You can spin that BS to the masses that don't know the inner workings of how a broker operates, but not here, unfortunately. And also address the fact that your mentor, Uncle Ted, is a fraud. He gave you a platform, or is Ted your liquidity provider now after nuking everyone on his PAM, on his own broker? And for what reason would you have your broker registered on a tiny little island off the east coast of Africa? So Raja, honestly, I want to apologize for asking about the legitimacy of your trading history when you traded it on your own broker while having access to the meta manager account. I also want to apologize for asking whether those trades were actually routed to a liquidity provider or whether they were just kept off record. Also, I want to ask for an apology that why would a broker owner need to trade on his own platform while all regulatory frameworks point to no one being able to trade at a broker if they are either employed by the broker or if there's interest in the brokerage. This is simple regulatory framework 101, regulation 101. I don't know what you know about regulation, but anyways, and I also want to apologize for pointing out that your mentor Ted Safranco ran a Ponzi on his own broker and then rug pulled. Maybe it's time you be a man and you actually ask some hard questions. Stand up for the trading community. Maybe ask Ted why did he hurt a lot of people financially. Maybe be the voice for the people that don't have a voice in this industry. You've got a big following. You need to be asking these hard questions, not just about pumping another sale for your mentorship, for your little keyboard, for whatever it is you're doing. Maybe it's time you stand up for some truth. Sorry for asking why you lost your MetaQuotes license and you had to scramble over to Seed Trader. These are just some of the simple questions that actually have very simple answers which you are not answering. That's why people need to ask these questions. There's nothing against you, Raja Banks. It's not that we've got our knife in for you. It's just a case of you've got a big audience, you've got a big platform, and as traders, as men of integrity, we ask these questions to make sure that whatever is punted to the masses is actually truthful. So it's not difficult. Answer simple questions. If there's simple answers to these questions, answer them. You still haven't replied on that comment, and that's also fine. but I want the trading community to ask these hard questions, especially new traders coming into the industry, because even looking at the leaderboard on the Robbins World Cup, the returns that you've made is basically, Raja, please, let's be real, 300% currently for the one guy from Canada on there. You're doing some stupid returns. That's more than I think anyone has ever done in the Robbins. So let's just be real here. So you can either answer the questions or you can scuttle away and do your little chit chat on Twitter, but we want answers. So Chad, ask these questions, share this video. Donvo is still on the loose. We don't know where he is. I haven't really delved back into it. Is his financial backing? I don't know, Chad. I don't know. I think some of the big boys need to answer up and they need to face up on what's going on. But for us as the trading community, we are going to ask some hard questions and we want some answers. So Chad, hit that like button, share this video, like and subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and we will
Well, oh no. How does he have to make that freaking music sound like a movie? I got no comment on that video. How you love this movie? That's just his own opinion.
Man, this industry is crazy.
Yeah. Me
It's all that
personally,
hate. Crazy.
me personally, I don't have that type of time. Like,
Yeah. It's all that beef going on, and then there's just you and Lorenzo sharing love, and it's like, come on, guys, what the fuck?
but, yeah, they got both of them got beef.
They got problems.
I wonder who started the beef.
Over here, we just want to press buy or sell, make our money, get high, and go to bed.
Oh, you get high now too, Pi?
In spirit, with you in spirit.
Just keeps getting better and better with plot twists everywhere. Man's got too much spare time. Yep, that's what I'm saying. We had that down blown on the account yesterday, but then if it's true. Yeah, I heard that too. Not, they didn't say it blew another account. They said it blew the rest. So it was, I think it blew 95 or 97. And I said it blew everything, 100%. It's blown 100% of it.
Nice.
Who was that?
Never leave a job half done. Finish it off.
Well, who blew that?
Don.
Oh, yeah.
He said he blew the rest.
That's beautiful.
Oh man, what the rest of the MAM account?
Yeah, I mean,
Man,
you can't just leave 3% there. I mean,
No,
what
he
you gonna
didn't.
do with 3%? Just finish it, man.
Oh,
Just finish it
no, he
off.
didn't. That's crazy.
No, you can try to bring it back up.
Oh man. He went full fuck it. Just blew it. Oh man, that's crazy.
Then is a good today. Just shouldn't have started those pineapples. I agree. I absolutely agree. I've said it before. It was the moment it started pineapples, that was when everything went downhill. Rich was suggesting to invest more in mom. Well, whoever does that, I don't know what to call them.
I know what to call the person who would suggest such a thing. But I'm not gonna say it
Stop
because I've already
it.
said it.
Stop it.
What will you
Imagine suggesting that.
what will you call him?
He wants you to do it.
I'm looking for violence.
You know that guy's a fucking idiot. You know he is.
See, the market is boring now. We got to laugh a little bit. Go doesn't know what to do right now. 1 minute you be like, I want to go up. Next minute, no, I want to fall.
You overbought at the moment.
How dare you say that? How
Just
fucking dare you say that?
It's just sitting very expensive.
Yeah, it's at an expensive price now. But if you ask me to pick what I think gold will do in this range, I would say sales. But would I take it? Nope. And the only reason why I said I'm going with sales is because it's due for some type of pullback. Even if it's just a decent pullback, it doesn't have to be a deeper one. It might end up being a deeper pullback. But man, knowing gold, she can just keep doing this. Bam, 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 and pull back and just keep going. You won't even realize when it's going to give you that deeper pullback before it continues again.
Said Don will recover all the losses. He did it a few times already. It was after he blew first time his ma'am. Well,
His ma'am, I thought this was his first time. When did he never had a ma'am account or Pam, whatever they call it.
maybe he means, this is his second time when he finished it off.
Oh.
Sorry, you don't need to be a mathematician to work out he has never recovered his losses trading. Never. You don't blow that amount. And then what got put back in was the courses and the subscription to the signals, not his own money.
I just wish he never started the pineapple stuff. That was
Yeah.
the downfall.
Downfall was when him, Raja, and Ted gathered in Canada and conspired together to blow everyone's account and rug pull everybody and then run to the Bahamas.
Really? Raja is still in Dubai.
Close enough.
Oh man.
At least we know where Raja is done. We don't know where he's at.
I think maybe the downfall was when he hit the million, and then it all just went to his head. It was just downhill from there.
I wouldn't say that was the issue. It was just the pineapples.
Yeah. Damn fruit.
Man, I just want Don to please post a picture of him laying on like one of those sun chairs, leaning back on the beach, sipping a pina colada. Please, just post that up. I will fucking die laughing.
That would be crazy if that happens. What would I do if I meet Raja? What else am I gonna do? I'm just gonna shake him.
He's gonna shake him down for some money. Listen, Abe's so big he could shake him down. I could see it. I can imagine it. Him just picking up Roger and just shaking him, and then money just falling out of his pockets and shit. His gold watch and whatever falling off.
That's funny. Crazy thing is, even after adding pineapples, it still moves the SL.
Oh, Roger's like 6'2". Oh, okay, he's pretty big.
Alright, he's tall. He's not big, he's just tall.
I know he did sports. I think it was like rugby or something like that.
Rugby?
Yeah, he did some kind of sports.
I find that hard to believe.
My money's still on Abe.
Yes.
Big boxing in the UK. I think it's this weekend or next weekend. AJ against Dubois. Big heavyweight.
Oh, Anthony Joshua?
Yeah, it's gonna be good. 2 Brits, Wembley Stadium. Looking forward to it.
Who is he fighting again?
He's fighting another Brit heavyweight called Daniel Dubois.
Oh, never heard of him.
Yeah, he's fought Usyk a couple of times. Nearly beat Usyk actually, Dubois.
Oh,
He needs to change his last name. Doesn't sound manly enough for a
Who?
boxer.
oh.
Dubois.
I'm not.
Come
I'm
on,
not
man.
gonna
His last name's
I ain't-
Dubois.
I ain't telling him that.
I'm not telling him that either.
Lucian is been racist. He said Indian playing rugby. Raja is not Indian.
I think he's Pakistani.
Pretty sure Roger's got a scar on his like eyebrow. So I believe it. Tackling each other, you know, headbutting, colliding, split your eye open.
Rugby's a brutal sport.
Wall is the most critical person in the world. Yeah, he's very critical.
Hey, I'm just realistic.
That's what you call him.
Yeah, I'm being realistic. I just don't sugarcoat things.
I like when people, I do it as well, sort of dangle like a little bit of bait in front of wall. Try and get him to
And you
bite.
know I'm gonna take it. I have to take it. I'm not gonna not just leave it there. Just like Don, he's not gonna leave that 3% remaining. He's gonna finish it off.
Oh man, how did you do that?
Oh my god, he said you're looking close at Roger's eyes. You have a crush, lol.
I'm pretty sure I'm not making that up.
I don't know if he has a scar on his eyebrow. I haven't seen him that close, so I don't know. Yeah, Magic Keys is actually a good product. Come on, Gold, are you gonna break this resistance or not? Good morning, Billa. Twitter chat is 5 minutes so fast. Forex chats. Swipe off all-time highs. Now, if good closes above here, hopefully she gives us a setup. See how the 30-minute candle closes. Because right now we got a 15-minute demand down here. Yeah, I said it during the airwire session. I'm actually expecting a major pullback at 2600. I don't know when it's gonna get to 2600, but I'm expecting it to get to 2600. You got B in Asia? How? How did you get B in Asia, Pi?
Fucking alpha spreads. I think I whacked it on BE when we left the stream.
What?
And,
Why did you do that?
Because I wanted to go to sleep.
Oh.
And I just got spread. There was a candle that I think it was like the third candle into the trade that just created a bottom wick, stopped me out for $2 profit, and then went up.
Damn.
I woke up and chose violence.
I think we all got at least 32, 30.
I know.
Did you go to sleep too, Wow? Or you held before
No,
you go
I'm
to
good.
sleep? Oh, okay. Yeah, Gideon. Especially, let's say you have an entry here, you have you're looking to have a market order here somewhere here. If this candle spikes up, yeah, you're gonna get slipped on alpha, and your entry might end up being somewhere here, or even here. You might get slipped hard. It doesn't happen often, though. It doesn't happen often. ICT had close to 10K views. Oh, he's streaming right now? Yesterday. What do I think of FTMO? I've never used FTMO, but I think FTMO is good. Yeah, I know, Gideon. Yeah, on my Alpha Capital, the Lodo session trade that we took, I didn't get stopped out. I didn't get stopped out either. So I'm surprised you got stopped out.
Oh, on yesterday's? No, yeah, I didn't get stopped out. It was close though.
Oh yeah, it was close. I was watching it on Future, so I'm like, man, this thing is so close to the stop loss. Pretty much was like 2 ticks away.
Yeah. As we say in the UK, it was squeaky bum time.
We just be giving it like extra 3 pips. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back.
Judging basically off the daily time frame on gold, you have a giant, massive bullish candle closing above that consolidation, that resistance zone. Pretty good chance that you're going to get a continuation, get another decent sized bullish candle closure. And honestly, we're pretty close to 2600. It could easily get there today. Today's a Friday. All the banks, they might be like, yep, let's just run it up. And then while retail traders try to desperately sell this, saying RSI's overbought, it's oversold, it's topped out on the MACD, and then they'll crush them and just jam it higher. Then they'll high five everybody on the Friday afternoon as they go party in the Bahamas, in the Hamptons.
She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my
What do you think of FTMO? They've got to be the best in the business. Been around the longest. No one says anything bad about them.
That's the thing, you never hear any even just rumors. There's never any negativity around them.
Yeah, it's like not even a rumor, which
Yeah,
is pretty
no
insane.
bullshit. Go about their business quietly.
Now break up the trend line. Man, what trend line? Are we talking about up or down? Because there can only be one trend line. It's that all-time high. There's got to be a vertical trend line. It's got to be upward trend line. There can't be any downward trend line.
I am expecting some crazy moves before market closes for the week.
Sorry, say that again?
I just say I'm expecting a crazy move, like a lot of volume, a lot of movement before market closes for the week.
Oh, yeah.
This thing, it's at all-time highs. We're at the end of the week. There's gonna be some settling down.
Five-minute trend line. Okay, fair enough. There's probably like somewhere hidden in there.
That was really good.
Man, you guys should have seen yesterday Pi's PFA, Pi's fundamental analysis during the news yesterday. He's like, gold's going down. Man, that thing never fucking looked back.
Well, that thing went with the news. That went straight down. It's not my fault what happened afterwards. you didn't close your positions. I called it and I said, go break even. Come on. It's going all-time highs, guys. Break even.
In a 1 minute downtrend. I believe it.
Morning.
Morning, Jay.
Morning, afternoon, and evening to everyone.
That's right.
There we go. Close above. Come on.
Which accent in the UK is the most difficult to comprehend? Man, it's gotta be like, is it Irish? It's Irish, right? Yeah.
Oh, UK and I. Oh, careful there.
And you can't understand. Like, they speak English, apparently.
Careful there, be careful there.
Yeah, be careful. Who are you calling United Kingdom?
I have the IRA listening.
They don't like that.
Ain't mad at me. I'm putting your house down.
I think, yeah, Scottish. Some places in Scotland can be quite difficult.
Yeah. It's Gaelic.
Man,
Oh, yeah, Welsh. Oh, my God, Welsh.
Yeah. Find it a little bit difficult to get hold of. But yeah.
Man, have you, I went to Wales, went to Cardiff once, and man, the road signs, I don't know how they understand. Man, it's like all the letters of the alphabet.
It's crazy, isn't it? It's like, yeah. No, I found yeah, I do like. I mean, I don't know if you've been to like the Lake District or anything.
Oh, I love the Lake District. Love it.
Yeah, you've been there. So you've been to
Yeah, Lake Windermere. Love it. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. So I think I was because I've done like Schoolfield Mountain and Cat Bells and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I found all the names and the roads as well. It's quite, yeah. I don't know if it's like
Yeah.
that kind of northern thing. But yeah.
Man, us Southerners, we just don't belong up north, man. Can't cope. It's too cold.
Tell me about
We're not welcome.
starting to get cold now. I don't know what it is like where you are. It's starting to, this morning was
Yeah, it's cold today. Yeah, it's getting colder now.
frost on the Surrey hills. So yeah. Are you waiting for 15-minute demand to be tapped or essentially on this? Or are you waiting for buys above the 1 hour?
I don't think he's here yet.
Oh, okay. it, and I haven't got my YouTube up.
I think ideally you want to close above that 1 hour resistance and then pull back
Yeah.
before thinking about buying it. The fact it's just really struggling up here.
Yeah, I was hoping for the 15-minute to be tapped again
Yeah.
to get into some sort of buys, but I think the fact that we've kind of already tapped it, that's real.
But if it was to break above, you'd have another one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. It's good Asian session. I actually got in and let it run, and I just came off stream and I was like, woke up and I was like, oh, TP hit. It's like, yes, get in. That was quite nice. I was like, I can't stay up for the Asian session. It's too.
Yeah. Oh man, someone said in the YouTube chat he's English and he's never heard of squeaky bum time. Have you ever heard of squeaky bum time? You know when you get stressed?
Yeah, I've heard of
Yeah, squeaky bum time.
Yeah. I've heard it.
I was saying about London session yesterday when we were a couple of pips away from our stop.
Yeah.
It was a bit squeaky bum.
No, I think a lot of people won't get that because it's like.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Nice.
It sounds a bit wrong when you say it.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. People will be like, "Squeaky bum time." What?
Yeah, what?
Fit the word bum. We'll just like throw it on basically. But yeah. But mad. Oh, man. Did you end up opening a Top Step account, or didn't do it in the end?
Not yet, my friend. No, not yet. I'm going to just get concentrate on my alpha phase. On my 200k challenge, get that, and then I'll look for another challenge.
Yeah, nice.
I'll be honest, I find it a little bit tricky. I've got three devices going at it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Every time I've got my little 1k personal fund, got a 200k challenge, and I got my 100k funded, all on different devices. So it's a little bit challenging.
Yeah, a lot to navigate through, but
yeah.
If you just kind of work on week by week, like 1 week on one week on another, 1 week on another, that's how I kind of be doing it.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, good. I'm hoping that once I pass the 200k, you can merge, because they're both alpha. You can merge the 200k with the 100k and it's on one account.
Oh, is it? What, with the same? Are they the same companies? Did you say?
Yeah, same prop firm. Yeah,
same props. Yeah. Oh, cool. Well, that's good.
So then that'll make it easier, and then I'll look at Top Step for sure, definitely.
Yeah. I mean, I've got certified funded on Top Step, but I've actually just now, hopefully today, I should pass another combined to get an express 150k. So
beautiful.
But I think according to them, you can't have two certified express to funded accounts. So what I'm hoping to do is kind of get this account, up to maybe 150 more, maybe up to 300. And then basically what they said is they will add that balance onto my certified funded account. So
nice.
More buffer. The only thing with it, you just have to be like consistency of 200 plus each day. So
okay.
5 days in order for you to make a withdrawal. So long as you're making $200 plus per day for 5 days. Doesn't need to be consecutive as well. It could just be at any time you're doing.
On what's the value? Sorry, what's the balance on the account? 150.
Yeah, well, I only do 150 accounts. That's the starting balance.
Yeah.
So Yeah.
Oh man, easy. $200. Yeah, easy. You'll be able to do that easy.
That's what I was saying. Even if you go with, one lot size position,
yeah, 20 pips, you're done.
Yeah, and that's it. And you could probably go a little bit more. If you were looking for more than 1-to-1 or whatever, you could potentially do that on maybe day 4, day 5, if you're already up, essentially.
Yeah. It's like a cat. It's funny with prop firms, that sort of account management strategy you got to think about. Like with my funded account, I'll just get to maximum 4% in profit, and then I'll just do 0.1s like every trade, and then that's it. You just manage it in that way. It's funny how so there's one thing that I quite like about prop firms. It really just makes you think about like risk management and
100%
placement, placement of trades and everything else.
Yeah, I'm still learning risk management because I do sometimes get a bit complacent in the sort of game. I'm like, too confident, I would say. And I would never go any more than 150k. I would never go more than like 3 lot sizes. When I first opened it up, I was like, right, even if a small move, I'll hit like 5, 6, 7 lot size, like goes in the direction, just get blown out. It's just like, nah, that's crazy.
So mate, the most important thing is that you recognize that just by talking about it. You already know. That's good.
And I have to talk to myself about it as well.
Yes.
So it's just like psychologically, like if I don't do that, then it's not.
What I'm struggling with, my biggest problem at the moment is I'm going in and out of drawdown on the account because I don't know, it's been a bit of a funk because I know I pie and close like 20 pips or whatever, and that works great. But then when you take the loss, it almost not wipes out the whole it wipes out a couple of days. But then I have this habit of reducing my lot size after I've lost.
Right. Okay.
And then, do you know what I mean? And then you're not making back enough of the loss, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try.
I think again, that's the tough one because you want to make back what you've lost, but you obviously don't want to lose again. So
exactly.
It's a bit of a situation to get yourself into. So, I think we should all have discussions on like psychology. Like, I know we trade and everything, but I think it's important that like people know their bad habits and stuff.
Yeah, 100%. That's just so great about the community. It's like, you look at like Wall, for example. He probably doesn't need to be here. He knows how to trade, but it's that having that community and hearing voices and just bouncing ideas off each other. It just makes such a massive difference.
100%. Trading can be a lonely game.
No, it is a lonely game.
Yeah, it's a lonely game. Like if you've not got like-minded people that are going through similar peaks and troughs at the market. So that's what I find anyway.
Yeah, that's it. We are all alone in this together. Yeah, I like that. Killed a beat summed it up quite nicely. That's it. I mean, I'm like, you take yesterday for a good example, when we were in that serious drawdown. If you were sat on your own watching that, but the fact we're all together just having a laugh about it and talking just makes it so much easier.
Yeah. At the time, and then when you look at your bank account, you're like, what the fuck? Come off the stream, you're like, shit, now this reality kicks in.
Yeah, when the Zoom call ends, it's like, ah, fuck.
But yeah, I suppose at the time it is. Yeah, it's to be quite comical.
I don't know, but I bet some people probably closed out of that London session trade before it hit stop loss, and then probably said "fuck" when it went back down.
100%.
Oh, Cash says, "Great conversation, guys. It really helps." All right, keep talking, you two.
What's the entry I'm looking for buys? First, I need to see a closure above this resistance first. It's either that or gold pulls that comes down lower. Then we can talk about entries. You're welcome, Lee. Am I still trading Top Step? Yes, I am. We published a signal this week. Highly recommend. It's a way of making yourself a more accountable trader. It's out there for the world to see and gives you great stats on how your trade is going.
FX Nutter published a signal. All right, how much? How much is it?
Oh, Gideon, so are you with Alpha as well? Did you buy a challenge?
They go ball without you. I just say bye, then I miss you. Wanna control what I do. She's such a beauty with issues. Baby, we can make it so simple right now, yeah.
Buy or sell now.
So your attitude, they be bossy. Feeling like the past, keep on pulling back. Baby, me no longer the old me.
Man, probably both have an equal opportunity of working out.
Treat the love like a payback. Working on the trust, so I get that. Nothing come close to my baby. You've been through a lot, hate to see you down, yeah. Only thing that matter is we got now. So your attitude, they be bossy. Feeling like the past, keep on pulling back. Baby, me no longer the old me. I'd do anything just to hold you. Maybe
surely, Tyriad, that you're trolling. Surely.
Sir, can you lend me 2K? I would buy your strategy and fund it, and me promise me pay you back. Nah, he's not trolling. I would believe it. From this guy, I'd believe it.
I love that.
The last time I heard this guy talk, he's like, man, I'm gonna buy 10 prop firm accounts, blow 9 of them, and pass one. It's like, what do you think? And then I gave it to him for real, and he went and cried to Lorenzo. Told Lorenzo I'm a bad person.
Basically, he's saying, have faith in him.
Yeah.
Give me the money as well.
Yeah, Gideon, I was just saying, are you with Alpha now? Did you buy an Alpha challenge? Is that Is that what happened? Oh, cool. Okay. You'll pass it. You'll pass it. No problem. Take your time.
Man, if we didn't have all these down here, I would have sold this right here.
We didn't have all this, break. Everything's vertical, straight up. I would sell too.
Mike said he should press sell.
I don't want to ruin it.
It's falling. Just do it.
You do it first.
Man, Abe Trades violence today, man.
The one never takes one for the team.
I reckon. I don't know if we're going to hit the 15-minute demand, but we may stop. We may sort of reject here, right?
Yeah, it's possible. That liquidity grab below above the resistance could break this lows.
Yeah. Liquidity grab.
If you ask me, I think it should break it, but we pretty much have a double top here, and we've rejected this support twice too. This demand also twice, so it's a range.
Yeah. Just trying to think for it to kind of respect these levels.
Yeah.
Going up.
Draw the trend line of justice.
If we had broken above this resistance, then would have just been waiting for it to at least pull back to this demand. But since we didn't break above, they gotta wait for the break above. Yeah, and of course it's not even a big range, so there's no point trading in this range. It's not big enough.
4-hour reach.
No, this 15-minute range.
Oh, 15 minutes, sorry.
Oh yeah, Faye. Of course. You had a 1 minute entry, depending on how many pips you're looking to catch. You'd have taken a 1 minute entry at least even below the support here. Stop loss above here. Almost 35 pips. You target this low. That's a 1-to-1. Pretty much target the demand. That's a 1 minute entry.
Classic Faye.
I don't think she took it.
Catching pips in the gym in Bali or in a rainforest somewhere. Living a dream.
Not a bad life.
I looked at it. I looked at it 1 minute earlier. I'm like, man, this thing is gonna fall. But man, we're in the range. Is this demand here going to hold, or is just gonna come straight to the demand? It's a tight range. Oh, she's back in the UK. You back in the UK, Faye?
Australia.
Oh, Australia. I mean. You couldn't get on Zoom? Long-term gold is going to 2,700. You got it at 2,465. Still holding. Man, I don't know if we're going to get to 2,700. I'm expecting at least 2,600. I don't know if he's going to do it today. It's not really that far off, though. Far away from 2,600. Like what? How many pips away? See from this time.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that
is it 280?
how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up now, you
Yeah, but 280 pips. From the highs. Might be a late London session trade today. We'll see. You're home, you're at the gym. Alright, nice.
You the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl, you got me. This is more the bluffing, made you something, now you talking. I call you bluff, telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off?
I'll be right back, guys. Well, please take over from me.
All right. Hi, Jay. Please take over for me.
Right, guys. Bye now. There we are, I'm done. I'm only kidding. Don't buy. I'll leave it to Pi. Get some breakfast.
Long-term gold to 2,700. Got in at 24.65. 465. Oh, nice. That's very nice. You're $100 up on gold. So what's that? $100? That's 1,000 pips. Beat says trading ranges is risky, especially if the top and bottom have been hit a few times. Ideal, you need the first taps. You never know when the ranging will end. Range ends the moment you enter a trade. I know, right? God damn, tell me about it, Gideon. You'll see that range, you'll be like, it's so fucking obvious. Okay, let me take a buy at the bottom of the range. That's when it breaks straight lower.
crazy cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
This is a very dangerous move. I have lost a lot of money in my 2 years of trading. Yeah, trading's dangerous, man. Most people lose money in trading, sadly.
Take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing ooh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
Oh.
Feel the rising heat, feel the moving beat. I know what you need. Singing oh na na,
Oh man.
dancing in the sun, dancing all night long. Won't you come with me?
Can we get 10 more likes, guys, to get to 100?
Take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna
The thing now is, feel like when gold is ready to break out of this 15-minute range, it might not give a pullback, especially if it freaking breaks above.
Yeah. Also, if you think about it logically, right? If you're looking at the charts, you're looking at gold, been consolidating that daily range so long, all those people have been buying it, holding it. Now you got the breakout. Who amongst those larger traders who have been accumulating and buying would sell as soon as it breaks out? They'd be holding it for the big move.
Yeah, because it's gonna, if it breaks out, it's gonna do another big move.
Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends.
Yeah. Ever danser, ever bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew.
YouTube, just an announcement. Starting from next month, I might start streaming New York session again, just like in the beginning when I first started streaming. So London and Asian session will be private, and of course NY session also. Still thinking about it, but there's a high chance that I'm gonna do it. Next month, Octopus? No, I said October. Yes, Vivian.
You guys better prepare for a different kind of stop loss.
If they trade good down in New York, so I'm sure they're used to it.
You guys gonna be seeing like 120 pip stop losses and stuff.
Might be hearing some even worse banter, and Wall swears a lot more.
Oh, don't worry. I'll just have to switch that up. I'll swear more during London. Then I'll tone it down for New York.
7 trading days to go. Road to 2025. You don't think your account can handle NY? Your account is a budget meal. The fact that gold pretty much rejected this demand here, if it start crossing above here, it should continue, but I'm not gonna take it because it didn't break out, because we didn't break above this resistance. Taking buys above this resistance now, that means a impulsive breakout trader. Pretty much take impulse entries. They don't like to wait for closures. As a breakout trader, you should have at least, to make the trade 100%, you need at least 3 confirmations. For the trade to be 50% chance of you winning, you can take it after 2 confirmations. The breakout trader, your first confirmation to be okay here. Price rejected this demand. Alright, we bullish. Number 1, sorry. Price rejected this demand, and then price closed above, and then you take your entry above that candle.
Bought from 1 minute trend line. I need money. Well, you're making money.
What is 1 minute trend line? Okay. So I'm sure you had a lower entry.
Oh man,
Where I did say we will reject there, and then we literally just
Yeah, we did talk
went
about
with
it.
that, which is a bit annoying.
You told me to buy earlier, and then you said don't actually do it. So what the fuck, man? God damn it!
I want my money back.
I'm not that confident in sending signals, man.
I want my 10 English pounds back.
25,
Oh,
6, 6, 85. Oh, okay. You had a much lower entry because you were only 1 minute. See what happens when the new 4-hour candle opens on Forex in 2 minutes. You heard those bumpy, right? Yeah, even during Asian session, it started getting bumpy, but then all of a sudden it just bam spiked up. I don't think it was up to 15 minutes after we got off Zoom and we hit that 30 pips.
Oh, it was so quick after we logged off.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, King, would you say if so long as we don't close above these highs here,
Mm-hmm.
potentially we could still come down?
Yeah, if we keep failing, it could still go either way.
Yeah. You consider the so 15-minute closure of this current candle to potentially look at this coming back down, so long as we don't close above there, or would you be looking at a higher time frame?
I mean, I'm still looking for buys. However, can it come down from here? Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But just in terms of like confirmation, additional confirmation.
Mm.
Because we're on a bullish. This is a bullish trend, so yeah, buys are obviously more inevitable. But
And also and then also, to be honest, because it's been ranging here for this much, if it ends up closing below this support, I'm gonna start looking for a supply setup until we get to this 1 hour support.
okay.
And why would I be looking for that? That's because pretty much once we book above 25.22 and above 25.29, pretty much the daily the previous all-time high, this area here was pretty much the first continuation we had. So I will be expecting it to come all the way down there and start working its way back up again. Oh shit, I deleted what I shouldn't have deleted.
Are you looking at the wick closures or looking at the candle body closures?
What do you mean?
like because you've got the body and the candle, right? So essentially, are you using
Oh,
the candle with valid closures above?
Yeah, candle.
Candle.
Yeah.
Not the wick, sorry.
Yeah, candle.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Sense.
For the sales, because if they keep holding this resistance multiple times, how much they want to push this thing down lower? Either side, feel like if we're gonna close on either side here, it's gonna be a very strong closure.
So the fact that we've closed, the body's closed slightly above these wicks.
Yeah, it still didn't close above. We pretty much need a strong candle body closure above 25.71.
Strong body, okay.
Thinking about 25.38 retracement, 25.38. Oh, what? Yeah, this 15-minute demand area. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. But I don't think it's gonna get down to 25.38 though.
I mean, if it's gonna go down to that level, I think we're probably looking at next week.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think that move's gonna happen. Not with how much bullish momentum there is.
Yeah. So if we end up closing below 25.63, I think they're gonna do a bit lower. And if that's the case, we might even close bearish today. Good morning, Oliver.
Thinking it was my fault. I was trying to give you all you need. Didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all that time. Can't believe it was all just a game. You really took my heart for a drive. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved takes over your mind. Yeah, won't get me this time. Lost trust in the dime. She's seen all the signs. I thought you were mine. I was blind. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved someone like this, telling me lies. You had someone else, now you running back. It was all good till the love gave in, girl. I'll never fall for your type again, girl. Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love.
Oh, no top wick. Oh no, oh, there's the one. Oh shit.
Feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one.
We're gonna be in this range until New York, it seems. Maybe pre-New York we'll get a breakout. And looks like we ain't got no news though in New York today. So we don't have any red folders.
No way, Edwin. This is gonna flip. We're gonna go. Damn it. I don't know. Wow, Yazin, is that true? 77 trading days before 2025. Oh. Where's this year gone, man?
So what?
Yazin in the chat just said that there's 77 trading days left until 2025.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Getting your calculator out, boys.
Yeah, have a look.
Still can hit 1 million by the end of the year.
Yeah, man, just doing this. What if I just do 1% a day? That'll be 77 grand, and that can get me one Audi R8.
I love the way you go straight for the car.
Maybe a nice holiday.
See, I think if you the larger your balance, you're increasing the lot sizes if you're doing it right. But
Yes. Okay. Let's do that. So 3%.
compound the account.
Okay. So if we do 3%, Jay,
Yeah.
we'll have
Got a calculator.
we'll have 230 grand.
230. So
Yeah. So
we're risking what? 1% of that, or 0.5% of that.
gotta be.
Yeah, 0.5. So 130,000.
That's with 100% win rate, though, Jay.
So you're risking 1,150 per trade. Once you get to that level, then you can sort of scaling out. I'll have to put it into my compound calculator.
Yeah, I think this is it. I think we've cracked it. This is how we're gonna get rich.
Yeah, definitely possible.
Sorry, I was a bit busy, but I just wanted to comment. No, that's not possible. I'm sorry, guys. Bad luck.
No. Don't kill the dream. Don't kill the dream. We're gonna do this.
So my question is, if you're increasing the lot size, I mean, we're talking about like some silly risk right here, but you know, hey, you know, I'm not saying that you throw everything at the wall and see whether it sticks, but you know,
Go full YOLO.
taking some mad ass risk, like an account of, I would say 100k. If you get it up to 100,000, taking, I guess, 0.12, 0.13 lot size, or even 0.57 lot size. So let me just get that in the calculator. I'm not talking about one lot size. I mean, that's going crazy, but in Forex, it's pretty much. No, it's not possible. I've got 670,000 based on that, but yeah, we can get to 1 million. I think you'll have to literally, once you get to that balance, is, you know, hit maybe the 2 lot size, 3 lot sizes, and just try and risk it for a biscuit. But I think, yeah.
Strange how maths works, because it's harder to grow the account than it is to blow the account.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's true.
Crazy that, isn't it? I guess there's no risk on losing, but there's risk on winning, right? Oh, actually, that doesn't make any sense. I'll say there's more calculation on winning than less calculation on losing, or more calculation on losing. But that doesn't make any sense as well. Yeah. But you are right. It's quicker to lose it than to make it. Sure.
Yeah, it's weird because it works like basically, if I lose 5%, I'm down to 95%. So if I grow my account by, I grow by 5%, I don't actually reach 100%.
Yeah.
So it works against us. It's very strange.
Yeah.
I'd have to make 6% or something to get back to my 100%. It's like, damn, what the hell?
Yeah, you have to increase that percentage win in order to get there. If you're taking a loss, it's almost like that psychological thing of when you take a loss, you're in a mindset that you've got to win, but also win back that loss as well. So it's like you go into fall into a spiral of losing trades.
Yeah, that doesn't help.
You know, trying to chase the market. Market come to you.
Even in my down times, I can get you out of my mind, sorry. Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Baby, won't you calm down? Wanna know how you feel about you and me? Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all, oh. She my baby doll, oh. Body they hot, oh. Leading out follow. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know. And I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Baby, you my only number one, got it. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah, searching away. Yeah. Running around every town trying to find you. Yeah.
The King, just a question.
Yeah.
So in terms of us, I mean, obviously there's bullish momentum with making higher lows, lower highs. I mean, the fact that we I guess we're still making this higher, well, eventually higher, but would you still not say this is, obviously you're looking for buys, but essentially we're looking at price continuing doing this, essentially, is that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. You can't see this coming down. I mean, obviously it's not the crystal ball, but just trying to think of like logically the trend itself.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys. It's just in a range right now. And pretty much when we had this drop here, that was when the bullish momentum pretty much stopped. So in order for the bullish momentum to continue, we got to break this.
Yeah.
Because if this low gets taken out, then the bullish momentum pretty much got taken out short term. And if we close aggressively below here, and we're waiting for this, expecting the supply to hold, and just take it back down. At a momentum shift if it breaks that range, below that range.
Yeah.
So looking for sales is just going to be short term. Minutes looks nice and sideways.
I mean, essentially, we haven't kind of completed the initial move, and that's where I'm coming to. I can understand we're in a range now, but I'm kind of looking at predictions of the market rather than what we're doing now. So,
okay.
I understand what Kill the Beat's saying, because he was saying, you know, we're in a range, but he not quite complete. So this is why I'm anticipating price to do that, which is pretty much what we're going to do.
I would assume like 99, well, not 99, I'd assume like, you know, way higher chance of that happening than anything else.
As we're talking, it's breaking out.
It's happening.
That's my point.
And don't mind Kill the Beat. He loves to say it's a range. It's his favorite catchphrase.
He's probably stuck in a range himself.
This for impact. Since I pretty much trade on the 15-minute most of the time, it's gonna be the 15-minute for me. The thing about day trading is you got to understand when you have a short-term trade opportunity and a long-term trade opportunity. And in this case, it's very clear that sales is short-term only and buys is long-term. Why? Because every freaking time frame is freaking bullish. Very simple. Long-term buys, short-term sells.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place.
Let's fucking go.
Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever.
Yeah, Edwin. 24-hour streaming coming.
No, it ain't coming.
Ah, come on, man. I'll get it one day.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna
2 more minutes for this candle to close. I got a feeling gold might not pull back, man. I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong and gold pulls back.
Don't do that.
It's been in this range for a while. I did consider taking these buys here.
Yeah,
Why? Because of
Potentially.
this one. There's one demand right there. And this right here. That's why I consider taking this buy here, but if I take it, that's me for more because I don't trade like that.
No break of that structure, so yeah, it would have been really risky.
Yeah.
Yeah, be risky. I mean, I wouldn't have taken this either.
I am expecting it to go up because of this first rejection at this demand and right here also. So of course I am expecting it to go up, but does that mean I'm gonna take it? Nah. No.
That's what I was saying. Maybe I would, if I was going to take it, I'll wait for us to come back into this 1 hour resistance. We're going to look at taking it.
Oh, you mean like this?
So potentially,
and then
yeah.
take it,
This would be my, this would be my potential entry, depending on what, depending on the candle push. But it looks like we're going up. Complete this
It doesn't
candle.
look like it. We're going up. That thing's going up.
And what I was saying about this not being completed, although we were in this little bit of a range with this, is not, the whole thing's not completed yet. So now it's completed. Yeah.
At this point, we're gonna have to wait for the 30-minute to close. Or maybe even the 15.
Now this is looking good. So, I mean, this would be for me anyway. Not saying anyone should take it. Just saying if it does play out. No bottom wick, which is good.
Oh, could it be you're gonna sell if it close back in the range? 25 for the incoming. It's gonna tank hard now, no stopping. Okay. Yeah, I'm with Edwin. I'm gonna be in the sideline watching until we close below this.
Well, that's for sales though, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For buys, that's looking much more stronger. I'm not saying buy it now, but I've got to see this 1 hour resistance has got to hold.
Mm-hmm.
Tap back into it.
Say it all the time, man. I know for a fact, if you don't learn anything from me, one thing you're definitely gonna learn is discipline. Because I will make you disciplined after watching me for so long, trading with me for so long. If you're the worst disciplined trader in the whole world, you will learn discipline from me. Because if I don't see what I want, I don't care what the market does. I'm not taking it. If you like, say buy. If you like, say sell. If I don't see what I want, I'm not taking it. I took only what I want. Does it make sense to wait for another support to form before entering a buy? So if we get a decent candle closure, right now we're gonna need candle closure above 2572.87. We get that, then we can start looking for a buys at the demand zone. So I'm banking on the 30-minute to pretty much close above, 30-minute candle to close above 2572.87. The stronger it closes above 2572.87, the better. Because then we can pretty much use this 30-minute possible demand here and see if price is gonna come there.
Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Jay. Buy or sell?
Buy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh no, they don't get it. That's not me.
Hades just gone full margin.
I think the sound, J. Smith sounds, I think it sounds different. It sounds different to mine, right?
Yes, echoey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Echoey.
That's how you know.
Damn.
What happened?
Change my life.
Yeah, I can't take these trades of buys now. Yeah, at least you have a higher chance of winning if you're in a buy. At least. You just close your eyes and buy here. Close your eyes and buy here and set stop loss below this low. If you hit this low, at least you know you were wrong. I'm not saying you should do it. On downwind X, downwind X, I've been in the swing buy only on that account though. All the way to freaking 2600.
Come change my life for the better. Yeah. Stay for a while or forever. Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. Yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever. Or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
Oh man. New York session should be good. Didn't take any trades down the NY yesterday. Could have taken a buy off of a 5-minute demand though, but it's just didn't want to do that. Because the Asian session buys that we took, it was off of a 5-minute demand, right? If I remember. Oh yeah. It was off of this this demand here. Man, London session is trash. Don't forget adding pineapples on the way down. Man, We're just gonna come back during our session, guys. YouTube, I'm done. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. All my links is down below in the description. If you want to trade the NY session with us, an Asian session. All right, guys. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys doing NY.
Thanks, Abe.
Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys. See you guys later.
Bye, guys. Bye.
See you guys.
You too.
I've been thinking about you.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänsterhand. Du är så viktig, baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig, baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig, baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chakarinna. Mosa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart die for you. Du är så viktig, baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig, baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min ni kör det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah.